Yes, hello world. This is Senior Vice President Stanley Agwo. I'm coming live to you all the way from Brampton, Ontario, Canada. As you can see, we have overwhelming traffic that is going on right now in Brampton. For those of you that doesn't know, Canada, we in Ontario, Canada, we always experience cold weather. It's actually around minus 30 degrees. It's very freezingly cold right now. I remember a few hours ago I was trying to get my get gas in my car. My hand were freezing. I was freezing myself up. But the good news is that it does not matter what the weather looks like. The top money earners in Five Links are always out there grounding this business. So I am going to a private business reception right now. It's supposed to be at 7 o'clock. I'm a little bit behind. I hope this traffic will clear up. But I already gave them a call and let them know that I'm going to be maybe 10-15 minutes late. So ladies and gentlemen, if you are watching this short video clip, I want you to understand that all the short time sacrifice is definitely going to equal to a long time gain. You must have to pay the price for you to win the trophy. Remember, if there is no test, if there is no trial, there will not be a testimony. So you need to be out there grounding this business and building this business to Diamond Senior Vice President. I don't know about you all. Me and my family, we are in this to win it. Yes, we are a senior vice president. Very soon we're going to be another senior vice president coming out from my household. We are working tirelessly on that. I want to encourage all the leaders that are doing what it takes to win. I want you guys to know that your own day will come when you will be celebrated. So go out there and do all those private business reception. I want everybody to know what sacrifice looks like. You must have to go down to the trenches with your leaders in your team for you to be celebrated in this business. Remember, if you help well enough people to get what they want, you will always get everything that you deserve. I'm gonna have to let you guys go, but I want you to know that if you're doing what it takes to win, your name is going to be in Five Links magazine when books will be written about this company. Thank you so much everybody for listening in. Remember, either I see you at the top or I have to see you from the top. The choice is always yours. This is Senior Vice President Stanley Agwo signing out. Thank you.